Hello everyone, welcome. What I have for you today is a US lock. There's our key and bitting. Not much to speak of there. It's barely cut on the last two. I don't know if you can see that. I'm going to try to get it to focus a little bit better, but yeah, you can see that the last two are just barely cut. So we know we're going to be lifting those pretty high. Works just fine. Alright. That's as far as we'll be able to turn it because of the cam in the back. Alright. Be using a Peterson number 4 hook and top of the keyway tension. Alright, I'm going to start at the back. Alright, click off pin 3. Not a lot of feedback on this lock. It's really its only strength. There you go. That is the US lock mortise cylinder. It's even got one original key with it. Yeah, that's what was stopping us from rotating it all the way in the vise. But alright guys, thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please subscribe, leave a like, comment. They're much appreciated and they go a long way. They're why we do this. So stay tuned and I'll see you later. Everybody have a great day.